Hey everyone! In this video I'll show you how I paint the velvet sash for my Lord Marshal Dreir Black Camouflage project. A small detail that adds depth and richness to the otherwise muted, grim tones of the model. This segment is taken from the full Black Camouflage tutorial on Patreon, but it also works perfectly on its own as a guide to creating subtle fabric-like textures on any miniature. Its base color is Incubi Darkness, which serves as a dark foundation for the turquoise green velvet tones that will emerge through the later layers. I layer Sons of Horus green over the base coat, which has already picked up a layer of the grime shade earlier in the process. Followed by a defining layer of Cyberite green. Capturing that subtle velvet sheen can be quite a challenge, especially since it's easy for the color's brightness to overpower the darker tones of the rest of the miniature. To bring out the soft fabric-like glow, I add Gauze Blaster green as the final highlight. Once these tones are established, it's time for glazing. In this case I use glazing mainly as a bridging technique. With a thin mix of Incubi Darkness and Sons of Horus green, I softly glaze over the transitions I sketched out earlier. Each pass gently blends the edges and ties the shapes together. I repeat this with gradually lighter mixes, narrowing the area each time so the forms become clearer while the overall finish stays smooth and cohesive. If you'd like to understand my process for creating smooth transitions between these greens, check out my technique focus video on glazing. Thanks for watching. I hope this section added something useful to your painting. Feel free to check out the full black camo scheme tutorial on Patreon. See you next time. Have fun.